All right, the beginning of King of Anything. Remember, you are in 4 groups based upon your risers. 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s. First move is hit group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4, group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. Everyone pushes down. 1, 2, 3, 4, swivel, step, swivel, step. Now boys, you're going to grapevine. You have right, left, right, together. Step to the front, step to the back, left, right, left, together, step to the front, step to the back. While that is happening, girls, feet together is very important. Your feet are together. You are going to roll your shoulders and you can have a little bit of booty tooch. Shoulder, shoulder, left, left. Add your hand really high. Right, right, left, left. Add your hand high. Add your hand high. Now everyone is center. Everyone steps out. Right, left. Switch, look. Look, open, circle, down. Right, left, shoulder, shoulder, out, hand. Boys, you drive left, right. Girls, you hit left, your hips go right. You hit right, your hips go left. Those 2 8-count spats. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now everyone is going to point for you have opinions, man. Walk. 5, 6, 7, 8. Flick, 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 flick. Bounce, bounce, bounce.